This is the hair I'm going to be using for this hairstyle. They are the pre-twisted boho kinky passion water wave 24 inches. Basically passion twists. What they are. This is what they look like. I went ahead and made my sister put this on for me in the back. Basically what I showed earlier was that I made my sister corn braid because I can't braid, so I made my sister braid my hair to the back, and it kind of has like that this design over here where it crosses, and then she just braided it and looped it in the back. So what I am going to continue to do is I am going to crochet it into the cornrows. And to crochet, you want this, just like a hook. Let's open this up. It brings 12 strands. This is the hair. It is soft. So up here, it's a braid, and then down here it comes out. But I think I'm going to just keep twisting it so it could be one braid instead of having it the curls out. Okay, so we're gonna take the hoop, and I am going to put it inside. Right, and I'm going to put the loop, close it, go ahead and close it, and then just bring it out. Just bring it out. Open the little loop. Open it. Put it in. And then here you have it. So we're going to do that all around their head. Okay, so for here, I forgot I was filming for you guys, so I am going to turn around and have you guys take a look. Okay, so what I am doing is that I am feeling where in my head I don't have hair to crochet it, and I am putting the needle through my hair and looping it on the hook, and then I am taking it out. Make sure that when you are putting the crochet needle through your hair that the hook is closed, because then it'll hurt if you put it in the wrong way. It'll pull your actual hair, and then put the loop of the crochet hair on the little hook of the needle, and then close it again, and that's how you want to take it out. If you leave it open, it will bring your own hair out as well, and you don't want to do that. So here, I am on my third pack, and I was just basically doing the same thing as I was doing earlier, putting the needle through my braids taking it out with the hair, and then tying the hair through the little loop that it already has made. After you have the hair literally inside of the braid, this is how you want to secure it and basically tighten it so it doesn't go anywhere. So here I am putting the hair in the braid, opening the little gap, bringing the braid through the gap, and then securing it. And by securing it, I mean just pulling the opposite way so it could be tight. While I do this, I am going to be putting some Lakey inspired music for you guys so you guys don't get bored of watching me. Okay, so this is the next morning. I had to go back to the beauty supply store and get about 7 more packs. So in total, I used 11 packs of hair, 12 strands in each pack. I would say the total of the time to do the whole look was about 3 hours, 2 hours and a half, if you don't count how many breaks I took. Honestly, I was so tired and miserable. This takes work, to be completely honest, but it's easy. You just have to take the time of your day to complete it and honestly not be tired or bored. Okay, so I just finished installing and cutting the strands I was talking about earlier in the video. They're like the little curly strands that it had together, so I cut it off of each one, and some of the braids I put together, so I twisted them together because it just
it looked like a lot, and honestly it was a lot of hair. It was like 11 packs of hair, and each pack had 12 strands. So this is the best I could do.